Good evening, children. How are you? Good. Today we will learn from third chapter History, Indian Constitution, Rights and Duties. In the small class itself, you have studied about rights and duties. So, today we will discuss about the basic ideas of Constitution and fundamental rights. Do you have any idea about Constitution? The Constitution is the fundamental law of our nation. It defines the powers and functions of the government as well as the rights and duties of the citizens. The leaders who framed the Constitution discussed and accommodated significant features from Constitution around the world. The Constitution gives complete authority to the people of India. This is the Preamble of India. Let's go in detail about Preamble. Preamble is the introduction of the Constitution. It is based on the objective resolution that is drafted by Nehru and adopted by the Constituent Assembly. It basically reflects the dreams and aspirations of the founding fathers of the Constitution. To understand the preamble, let us know the meaning of certain terms. First one, sovereign. People have the supreme right to make decisions on internal as well as external matters. Socialist. Wealth is generated socially and hence it should be shared equally by the society. Government should regulate the ownership of land and industry to reduce the socio-economic inequalities. Secular. Citizens have the complete freedom to follow any religion and there is no official religion by the state. Government treats all religious beliefs and practices with equal respect. Democratic, a form of government where people enjoy equal political rights and elect their rulers. Next, republic. The head of the state is elected person, not hereditary position. Justice. The citizen cannot be discriminated on grounds of caste, religion and gender. Social inequalities have to be reduced and the government work for the welfare of all. Liberty. There are no unreasonable restrictions on the citizen in what they think and how they wish to express their thoughts and their way to wish to follow up thoughts and action. Equality. All citizens are equal before law and the government should ensure equal opportunities for all. Fraternity. All of us should behave as if we are the members of the same family. No one should treat as fellow citizen as inferior. The 9 words, namely sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. These are the keywords mentioned in the preamble. Now we know all these words, don't you? Next, fundamental rights. Let's go in detail about fundamental rights. The Constitution of India guarantees certain basic rights that are essential to the well-being of every citizen. They are known as fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are required to maintain the democratic nature of our government. On violation of these fundamental rights, a person can approach the Supreme Court or High Court to claim his right. The Constitution provides 6 fundamental rights for the citizen of India to enable them to live a life of dignity. Right to equality ensures equal rights for all citizens and all citizens are equal before law. Right to freedom provides citizen freedom of speech and expression, right to life, personal liberty, etc. Right against exploitation prohibits human trafficking, forced labor, and child labor. Right to freedom of religion guarantees all citizens the right to profess, practice, and publicize the religion of their choice. Cultural and educational rights seeks to preserve and provide special protection to the language, culture, religion of minorities. It also gives them rights to establish educational institutions. Right to constitutional remedies. On violation of their fundamental rights, citizens can approach the Supreme Court to seek their claim. Let's summarize today's topic. The Constitution is the fundamental law of our nation. The Constitution of India guarantees certain basic rights that are essential for the well-being of every citizen. They are known as fundamental rights. There are mainly 6 fundamental rights. They are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Hope all of you understood the topic. Meet you again next class. Thank you.